Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crash 900 guys. I want to explain to you guys on how to use this particular strategy to catch up a spike entry in trading Crash 900 on 1 minute time frames. This strategy works on all boom and crash index, boom 1000, crash 1000, and boom 500 and crash 500. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel because I drop daily updates on boom and crash index and which work very perfectly, and I have a lot of people making profits with this same strategy I'm sharing with you every day. So guys, I want to explain to you how to use this particular strategy to catch up a spike entry every day. So guys, as you can see now, we have our window charts 1 year and we have our charts here. So what we need to do is very simple. And this is the combination of two strategies together. We can see that we have a 2 level here, which is the 90 level and the 10th level. But since we are catching only spike, we are only going to focus more on this 90 level. And what we are going to do is that anytime we have our index 9, as we can see here, respect that particular level on 90 level, then that is exactly when to enter our trade. So let's check for what the market is doing now. Currently we can see an entry here, a confirmed entry at this particular level, that we have a accurate level for us to enter. We can see that. We can see at this particular level is where we are going to be enter this our trade, and we can see that it helps us to catch the massive spike. So we're going to check all that. We are going to check all for another one also. We can see this is another confirmation of entry also at this particular level, and what we can see now currently is that it's respected and we have a massive spike. So let's check for more. We can see we have another one. Don't forget we are using the last zoom level, and you can also use the second zoom level like this. You can also use the second zoom level. It's still the same thing. All what you just need to do is to wait patiently for it to find an accurate best entry to enter. Like what we have here, example of what we have here, we can see our entry is going to be around somewhere here, and we can see that massive spike that happened. So that's how to make a consistent spike entry every day. We can see another one here, exactly like what we have here. You can see a massive spike happen. So this is how to trade this particular strategy, and it has helped a lot of people to catch up daily spike every day. We can see another one here, another confirmation here. We can see that. So your entry is going to be somewhere around here, and we can see what happened here, a massive spike keeping on coming down. So that is how to make use of this particular strategy from time to time. So guys, let me show you the setup of this strategy so that you can also set it up on your phone. We only have the relative strength index, we have the period of 10, we have apply to close, and you save it. And we also have relative Vanguard index, we have the period of 10, we have this as this. You can also screenshot it like this, and you click on save. So once you do that, you will have the same setup the way I have it here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram link on the description of the video. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next video. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks.